Well, after a gloomy start to the morning, you are looking live at some clouds breaking apart as viewed by our Carter Mountain weather camera. And those clouds, as they begin to dissipate, will allow for a temperature rise over the next few hours before some storm clouds arrive by the end of the day. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert to meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Now, one of the next big things I'm tracking from the Weather Center is going to be a better chance for some rain showers as we head towards Friday. But it still looks like the most rainfall will occur off to our east, more towards I-95. So this will not be a drought buster by any means. Looking at this morning at that sizzling sunrise, thanks to Warren over into Augusta County in the Jolly View area, south of Stanton, showing us that sun coming on up over the Blue Ridge Mountains. And in that first forecast for the rest of this Wednesday, it is a first alert weather day, mostly because of the excessive heat and also a chance for a localized severe thunderstorm, especially on towards 4 p.m. through about 7 p.m. from west to east. Temperatures in the 80s and 90s before any shower and thunderstorm, and then dropping through the 80s and 70s later on into the evening hours. Right now, your midday heat indices are ranging from 100 at Livingston. It feels like 103 at Culpeper, but with the extra clouds temporarily, it's not quite as hot in Charlottesville, but that will be changing here shortly. 29 Doppler radar network is showing us not much activity right now. In fact, all of the activity has been across the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley. This circulation you see, this is the remnants of what was Hurricane Beryl as it moves into the eastern Great Lakes. On the eastern side of that circulation, there's going to be more tornadoes. In fact, there's a brand new tornado watch, with that staying well to our north, Pennsylvania into New York State. We're just going to have a cold front move across the area, and that will give us a small chance for a severe storm. So by far, the most severe weather will stay to our north, especially into the Empire State. But here at home, localized severe weather cannot be ruled out. We can take a look at that on Futurecast, but any thunderstorm may pose a localized damaging wind risk. The large hail, well, that's non-existent. Tornado threat is very minimal for our region. So here we go, 3 p.m. Shenandoah Valley, you're first up, and then on towards 4, 5 o'clock, Route 29, 6 o'clock, Route 15, after 6, 7, it's out of here. So by sunset, any thunderstorm is long gone, and it's quiet on Thursday. In fact, behind that front, it'll be less humid. Not as hot tomorrow, so no first alert categories tomorrow. And then here's Friday morning, some rain showers, but you'll notice the heaviest rains are pointed off to our east, so more towards I-95, Hampton Roads. That's where the soaking showers will set up. There will be a sharp cutoff to the west, little to no measurable rain for the valley, and we'll just see some light amounts for the Route 29 corridor. In the 90s today, first alert weather day. It'll feel like 103 to 108 with that heat index through before any storm. Tonight, overnight, 60s and low 70s. Tomorrow, less humid, less hot. Highs upper 80s and low 90s. 7-day forecast, low 80s on Friday with showery conditions. And then we're back to heat wave conditions this weekend and next week. It may approach 100 degrees in the shade next Tuesday. Jared.